All right, viewers, can you hear it running? It took everything I had: a jumper from the Tundra, a charger from the charge box, a battery from the Valiant, and my booster box pack thing, and a jump from the Jeep over there. So she's running. I'm going to take it right around to the front and pressure wash this bitch. So chill out for a minute and I'm going to clean it up and we'll see what we got. All right, it's hot as hell in here, but let's see. We got no power windows. Are you sure? Hell, I thought I had them going up and down. Alright, well right now we got no power windows, but that's okay. We're going over to wash it, but it's running, no tack. I got a battery light because of course I don't have any battery. I got no power steering. This has got the Turbo 400 transmission. Let's go pressure wash this bitch and see what happens. Alright, temp gauge shouldn't be working, but maybe it's right. Oil pressure looks good, eh? Diesel says low. Volts, of course, there's none because there's no belt on there and no alternator. But everything else seems to be okay. Could have swore them windows went up and down the other day, but that's not important right now. Let me wash this off and I'll be back with you. Oswald's pretty excited. Alright, well, she revs up. For old diesel and been sitting for 3 years, I'm pretty excited. I got brakes and I got reverse. Yeah. And drive. Yeah, there's drive. All right, let's clean her up, see what happens. All right, I don't have a fun music or dance video for doing my pressure washes, but holy shit, look at the difference on the roof. And I got to do it a second time at least to catch up, but wow, she gonna look better, eh? This really is pretty satisfying. I've already did the front half, but what's that shit coming off? Amazing what a little pressure washer can do, isn't it? All right, I got her back in the shop now after that cleanup. Cleaned up pretty nice, if I do say so myself. Getting all that crud off of it with the pressure washer was fun. This side over here door works well. Driver's side door is got bad hinge pins and they're all wallered out. I vacuumed and washed up the insides just a little. Still got to do the windows and such. But she cleaned up pretty nice. Got to hang that mirror back. Back of it cleaned up pretty nice. I'm happy overall with that. Little door repair over there, but doors for these are everywhere and cheap. It's got 191,000 on it for a diesel. I guess that's not too bad. This allegedly is a good motor, bulletproof motor that doesn't make a lot of power, but makes a lot of torque, but not a lot of horsepower. 2 new batteries. I just doubled the price of the truck with 2 new batteries in it. Holy cow, batteries are expensive, but had to have them. The ones that were in there were 6 years old and they just would not take a charge again. I put 10 gallons of diesel in it, which almost tripled the price. No, just kidding, but not really. The batteries definitely doubled the value of the truck. So this is step one. I have the belt and alternator and lower radiator hose on the way. The lower radiator hose is leaking. I hope that's not a sign of something cracked. But yeah, anyway, so as soon as the alternator and the belt get here, which should be tomorrow, we'll see if we can't get this going, take it up and down the road more than just up and down the street. It does have all 3 gears. I think this is going to be okay. So I appreciate you joining me for the beginning of it here. Stay tuned. There's going to be more. I appreciate you. I love you. Take care of one another and have a super great day.